You probably have at least one box of baking soda in your home. If you're like so many other Americans, it's most likely sitting in your refrigerator as a way to combat odors. And you might have another carton in your pantry for baking. But there are so many other uses for it, from household cleaning and health to gardening. You might want to go out and purchase at least a couple more. Here's what baking soda could do to your garden. 1. Get more beautiful blooms. For flowers that thrive in alkaline soil, such as hydrangeas, begonias, and geraniums, you can encourage them to bloom magnificently by using baking soda. Just dissolve a little baking soda in your water before giving them their regular drink. Also, to keep your cut flowers fresh for a long time, put a teaspoon of baking soda in the vase. 2. Sweeter tomatoes. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda around the base of your tomato plants. The baking soda will be absorbed into the soil and lowers the acidity level of tomatoes, thus giving you sweeter than tart flavor. 3. Give plants a boost. Mix together 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of clear ammonia, and 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in a gallon of water. Mix well and give each plant about 1/4 of the solution. This solution will work as a fertilizer. The plants that are looking dull and growing slowly will perk up, rejuvenate their growth, and become lush green. 4. Use it as a pesticide. Use baking soda to effectively reduce infestations of many insects, such as aphids, scales, and the spider mites. It may not kill them all, but have a repellent action and halt their progress. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/3 cup of olive or mustard oil. Measure out 2 teaspoons of this mix and add it to 1 cup of water. Mix it well together and spray it on the infected plants. 5. Smelly compost. To keep the smell from a compost pile under control, use a small amount of baking soda, which will eliminate the odor and prevent acidity buildup. Just use it sparingly, as too much can slow the composting process. 6. Kill crabgrass and discourage weeds. If you have weeds or crabgrass growing in cracks on sidewalks, edges, patios, or garden beds, you can use baking soda to get rid of them. It's able to kill small weeds that have already sprouted, as well as to prevent new weeds from coming up. It will burn unwanted foliage, and weeds should disappear within just a few days. Just pour a thick layer onto weeds and crabgrass after moistening it with water, sweeping the baking soda in a thick layer into any concrete cracks. 7. Test soil pH. Take some soil on a dish and make it muddier. Sprinkle a small amount of baking soda into the soil. If the combination bubbles, your soil is acidic. Now, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe for more videos.